So why does your gate system have a frame?
So we believe that every gate system, and it's not only we believe, engineering standpoint, that if you have two vertical uprights, you need to have something connecting the distribution of the weight of your gate. So a top and a bottom. If not, your gate's gonna do this. We like to show that in the market, if there is no frame, your gates are gonna do that. And what I mean by doing this, it's meaning the uprights can be held by a slat from an engineering standpoint. It's gonna sag. So you're not gonna get that perfect level like ALU Globus products. Is it from our HD system, which is you have a rigid 45-degree. We have engineering brackets on the inside, so it's not visible. Or is it our DIY universal gate system, which you have a top and a bottom frame. And we have a special conductor that allows you to put the slat into the frame with the top and bottom. So that's a really intelligent system. So both systems from ALU Globus is going to give you that rigid standpoint, that weight distribution, versus something that can do this. So we believe that if the gate does not have a frame, top and bottom, is it 45 or a vertical and a horizontal meeting, that's not a gate for us. That's a fence with the hinges.